Hello, in today's video we'll explore why your Nintendo Switch dock flashes green once and how to fix it. Let's get started. The green LED on the dock flashes once to indicate that the dock is connected to a power source. This single flash is normal and should turn off immediately. However, if the LED continues to flash, it might indicate a firmware issue or poor wired connections. Here are the steps you can follow to resolve the problem. First, undock your Nintendo Switch console and perform a system update. Access the system settings from the console's home menu. Select System from the menu and then go to System Update. The system will automatically check for and install any available updates. After updating the system, navigate back to the System menu and select Update Dock. Choose Begin Update to start the process, which will update the dock's firmware. Next, check the dock's cable connections. Unplug both the HDMI and AC adapter cables from the dock. Inspect the cables for any damage and replace them if necessary. Reconnect the cables to ensure proper connections, which will help clear any faulty wired connections and cycle power to the dock. Thank you for watching. Until next time.